Hello everyone and welcome back to another day of Building Public with regard to Nextdoor automation. I'm Eric. I support my customers by providing automation in order to increase their presence online and get more leads. Today I'm going to review a post in the niche of beauty salon, and I have here logged on one of my customer account based in Paris. He is having a group open to everyone to join, which has more than 1,500 members. He is basically posting several times a week to advertise exhibitions, concerts, sports events to attend in Paris. And as you know, when you have a group, which I always recommend to do when you want to capture leads and get more clients, you create a group in a specific theme, your activity niche. So let's assume you create a niche in the beauty salon industry. Why would this profile post on a channel, in a group, that is related to sports activities, concert, exhibition, something related to beauty? So that's the problem when you are creating a group. You have basically two choices with a group. Either you leave it open to everyone to join and post, but you'll have to do a lot of moderation afterwards, because unlike Facebook and all the other social media, groups in Nextdoor do not allow or offer to have prior to posting moderation unless your group is private. So this is definitely something that I would not recommend. It's not according to etiquette. So you see a post of my customer is some sports, the ongoing Olympic Games in Paris, advice on how to manage to cycle across the exhibition sites with the QR codes and everything. So it's definitely not a beauty salon niche related group. So what he has to do, and we help him do that in auto mode, is to remove these non-related posts that comes as unwanted spam. But nevertheless, if you only analyze the post from that profile, I think it's quite good. There's a nice picture offering a price, explaining what it is. So basically, why not? But let's dive a little bit deeper. This profile has not added any text to this post. So anybody interested in that, if the marketing message is good enough, will have to go through more steps to contact that person, because there's no way to contact her from the post directly. So the person interested, the potential prospect, will have to go and visit their profile. You don't want to add difficulty to contact you if you want to have efficient marketing online strategies and publication. So when I go to the profile of that person, first, there's no real picture, so some people like to see real faces. The banner is missing. That's something that profile could improve. There's a little bit of explanation here, which is offering the prices, but again, no way to contact that profile except to message. I would definitely add telephone number, a WhatsApp shortcut where you just click on the URL or the WhatsApp short link. It will directly open your WhatsApp telephone application to send a message. That's missing. And let's have a quick look. So she has 3 groups. The group that we just seen her post, that is this one, which is considered as spam, and 2 other groups that are actually very focused on the beauty niche, and that's excellent. One that is 2,742 members, that's big number, that's good, and one that is much smaller, 39. And let's see why these 2 groups are so big in difference. There might be several differences, maybe this one is older, this one is new, but I suspect, and can you guess what's the difference between these 2? And that's something I mentioned just before. Have you found the solution? So let's have a look. This one is free to join. I mean, you can always apply to join, but you can see directly what is inside the group. What about the other one? Let's have a look. The other one, well, you can't see anything, and you have to request to join. So only 39 members. Maybe it's a private group, and maybe they have reasons to restrict the access. But if you want to grow a group, leave it open. The drawback will be that people will shit posting and spamming your group, but it's part of the game. You'll have to clean it regularly. So this is in French, that means in English slimming messages. So the picture is not great, but at least we know it's related to slimming messages. And then you have shit posting from that profile about bathroom renovation. This one is selling probably fake fake sneakers. This one is only saying hello to everyone, so not a lot of interesting posts, and so on and so on. Building outside renovation or insulation, I don't know, and so on. House forgot the name in English. House home staging, maybe that's the name in English. This one is about massage, reflexology, foot reflexology, and so on. So this one is okay, this one is out of context again, and so on. So people, this is not moderated, this is not a nice group. People join, but it has definitely not a good outreach, because all the shit posting is never controlled and monitored. Anyway, so that's what I wanted to say, and now let's get back to the profile of this beauty lioness. So let's have a look to her post. So that's yesterday's post, that's very good. Another one, the 8th May, so we are the end of the end of July, so about almost 3 months nothing. And April, yeah, so no regularity in posting, always the same pictures, I guess this oh, that's a nice one. Before I comment on that, I would say, I guess this lady has a lot of customers, or I hope for. She could make a lot of marketing material and change it, and not have always same post with all the same pictures. She could speak, she could take her phone and make a 20 seconds recording and post it here, and avoid to have a boring, repeating always commercial message. So I'm sure she has the means to do that, probably not the time, and that's where we help people to follow the right strategy, have consistency in the posting, have a posting calendar, publication calendar, and yeah, be on the top of their game, and yeah, see before after pictures, always good, but yeah, no regular posting, always the same ones, and so on and so on. So it's a bit sad because they could have a much better visibility with a lot of variety in the publications. And well, if that's your case and you want to have some help, professional help in order to do a better job and getting regular prospects. I have a proper conversion funnel on Nextdoor. You have all the links beneath. If you have any comment below. I'll answer your question in the future. Leave it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will review other niche in the future. And I say goodbye and see you another day. Bye bye.